Hello, skaters! The results of our latest poll showed that 60% of my viewers would like to see videos with skating skills exercises. And today we're going to do exactly that. I am going to show you 5 skating skills exercises, but stay with me till the end because I have 2 more difficult bonus exercises for you. Let's get started. Our first exercise, forward crossover with double plie and 1 foot transition between. So you're going to do 1 crossover one way and then push into forward and side edge and immediately do 1 crossover other direction. We're going to repeat same exercise backward. Remember to work with your knees and ankles and just warm up your skating leg for next exercises. Cover whole eyes, good nice pattern, power and extension. Second exercise, forward crossover with cross behind, and you can add some arms if you like. Same thing, 1 crossover, normal, and 1 with cross behind, good and side edge, glide and extend your free leg. We're going to repeat same backward with 2 foot transition between. 1 crossover, 1 cross behind, and 2 foot transition. You should be able to fit in 4 half circles, 2 from each leg. Moving on, adding some steps to our crossovers, and we're going to start with Mohawk transition. Going to do forward and backward crossovers with Mohawk. We're going to look at this in slow motion because this one more difficult to remember. So first you start from forward crossovers. 1 forward crossover, outside 3-step Mohawk. 1, 2, 3. Then you're doing 1 backward crossover, stepping forward, and going into forward crossover other way, and again outside 3-step Mohawk. 1, 2, 3, and then backward crossover again. And again forward crossover, outside 3-step Mohawk, backward crossover, step forward, forward crossover, and 3-step outside Mohawk from other leg, and then backward crossover. Nice extension, power, and eyes coverage. You can find more videos for crossovers and Mohawks in the link above or look in the description below. We are adding a little bit more difficulty into this exercise, and we're going to do forward crossovers with inside Mohawk, starting from forward inside, right foot Mohawk, forward crossover in opposite direction, stepping into left inside Choctaw, cross in front, step forward inside into Mohawk, and again start from left leg, forward inside Mohawk, forward crossover, step into forward inside Choctaw, cross in front, and finish with backward inside Mohawk, stepping on forward inside edge. Remember to check out my playlist for skating skills exercises for beginner level skaters. You can find it in the link above or look in the description below. And if you're enjoying this video and learning something new, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more updates and videos. Now let's see this exercise with 3 turns and crossovers in slow motion. I'm going to use forward outside and forward inside 3 turn in this exercise. Starting from forward outside 3 turn, backward crossover, step into forward crossover, into other circle, finishing that circle, step into third circle with forward inside 3 turn, and again forward crossover, and then last half circle, finish with forward and side 3 turn. Now we start everything from other leg. Forward outside 3 turn from right leg, backward crossover, forward crossover on other circle, that's our second circle, and then third circle forward and side 3 turn from left foot, and forward crossover on the same circle, followed by forward and side return on the right foot. And then you start again. I'm excited to help you improve your skating skills. If you have any skating or off the ice practice videos, send them to me. And on this channel, we will analyze your videos together and find out areas where you can enhance your spins, jumps, and overall technique. I'm here to support you. Let's work together to take your skating to the next level. And here are our 2 bonus exercises. We're going to use in the first one, transitions with Choctaws. We're going to use all 4 Choctaws in this exercise. Of course, we're going to take it slow. We're going to start with forward crossover, forward outside to inside Choctaw from right foot, backward crossover, backward inside to outside Choctaw from the left foot, forward crossover, forward inside to outside Choctaw from the left foot, backward crossover, and then backward outside to forward inside Choctaw from right foot. After that, you repeat everything from other leg. Here we go. Forward crossover, forward outside left, forward outside to right, backward inside Choctaw. Backward crossover, backward inside to forward outside, right to left, Choctaw, forward crossover, right forward inside to left backward outside, Choctaw, backward crossover, and then left backward outside to right forward inside, Choctaw. Choctaws are fun, and you can find more exercises for Choctaws in the link above or in the description below. Next exercise, rockers and counters with crossovers. We're going to mix and match and start from rocker, then counter, counter, and rocker at the end again. They're all different, so let's take it slow and pay attention. Start from forward crossovers and going to do forward outside rocker on the right foot. After that, we're going to do backward crossover and left backward inside counter. Then forward crossover again. And then we start new circle from forward inside counter on the right foot, followed by backward crossover and left backward outside rocker. So I know it's a little bit confusing because we mix and match our rockers and counters, but it's a lot of fun to do. On the second exercise, we're going to switch and start from counter, followed by 2 rockers, and again 1 counter at the end. Again, you can do both legs. I'll just show you one side and then you can figure out other foot. Forward crossover, right forward outside counter, backward crossover. Now we're going to do rocker on the left backward inside, left backward inside rocker. Then we're going to do crossover for half circle and then start new circle again with right forward inside rocker, then backward crossover, and finish with a left backward outside counter. This way you practicing on your counters, rockers, on outside, inside, forward, and backward turns. Look for my playlist on skating skills exercises in the link above or in the description below. Remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel. Happy skating, and I see you next time.